Hi guys, today we're going to be opening an LOL Surprise Bling series, and I got it for an Eid present, and I'm so excited to see which one it is. It might be a doll from the Glitterati series because there's a gold part right here, right at the top, so that means the back of the ball must be gold. And well, let's start opening it. Let's just take this, peel it. So let's see, our secret message over here. So our secret message is diamond are forever. So this is the secret message. Okay, I'm going to open up the next one. The next layer. Come on, zipper. There we go. Now I think this might be the stickers. Oh, yep, it's a gold ball. And these are the stickers. So let's take off the next and last layer. So maybe this is just a for fun layer, or it has something underneath. Let me get this over there. And so this one's just a layer for fun. Now to get inside the ball. So this is kind of hard to see it, but there's a little zipper right here.
When the bullet hits your skull, what will it matter? Why?
Here. And zip it. There. Now the little plastic layer is off, so I get to open up the ball. Okay, here are all the surprises. And before I open up, take out the paper, I'm going to close up the ball so I don't drop any of the ball parts. So I'll put that ball part aside. So taking out all these surprises, I'm going to leave the doll for last. Oh, and here's the collector's guide. I'm just going to open this collector's guide to see all the ones that you can get. So these are all the ones you can get. And I'm hoping I can get like Sugar Queen or Splash Queen. I might not get Splash Queen. She's ultra rare, but I might get Sugar Queen. And I am so excited. So I'm going to open the first surprise. Oh, it's a little water bottle that has some glitter. It's a pop soda can. Open up this next surprise. I'll put that bottle aside. This might be the outfit. Ooh, this is a nice outfit. It can't be Sugar Queen because Sugar Queen has this kind of dress. So I'm just going to. Wait, I don't see an LOL doll that can have this dress. Wait. Did we get... Okay, I'm so excited. I think we might have gotten Splash Queen. Because that outfit kind of looks similar to Splash Queen's outfit. I am so excited to see who we got. But first I need to open up... Ooh, look at these pink sunglasses. And also, this is the outfit that we got. Ooh, what's this? I think these might be the shoes. Or something else. Here. How do we open this? I'll try tearing it. Oh, there we go. I got it. Open. Ooh. Hold on. So, I saw something fall. Oh no. I don't know what it was that just fell. So, I'll look for it after. So, I'll open up this. I think these are the shoes. I'm just going to match up one of the shoes to Splash Queen. Oh, it doesn't show her shoes. It just shows a little tail part. Oh. So let's open up this surprise. Oh my gosh. Is it really and truly Splash Queen? Let me see who the doll is. Okay. Oh my gosh! Is it really truly got Splash Queen? And wait, let me see the mark next to her. She is seriously, is this serious? She's ultra rare and I got Splash Queen. Oh my gosh. This is a dream come true. I have always wanted one of these ultra rare glitterati LOLs. I can't believe it. I'm gonna get Splash Queen's skirt on, and now her shirt. This is so fun. I can't wait to see what she does. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's see. Oh, she is a peer. Let's see. Oh, yep, she is a peer. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. My friend Vivian has Splash Meow Maid, and she is Splash Queen's little kitty. And so I'm just so happy. And she also has shoes that we can put on her. Yes, I can't believe it. I think that's how we put her little mermaid tail thing on. No, I think you put her on barefoot, like on her little mermaid tail. Yeah, see? This is how you put it on. So, let's see. Yeah, we've got an ultra rare Splash Queen. I cannot believe it. Oh, I think she came with 2 little bracelets, because, yeah, I see bracelets here. So, I am so happy that I got Splash Queen. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I love you guys a lot. Bye!